Today, I wanted to just go over the different types of food sensitivity testing. Now, food sensitivities, again, are not an allergy or a food allergy. They are two different things, but they are closely connected. For example, a food sensitivity may produce digestive upset, and the same with an allergy. But oftentimes, the allergy is going to be we're going to know a direct cause and effect. We may eat the food and then we may get a rash, and then that would suggest there's an allergy to that food, or it might trigger anaphylactic or narrowing of the airways. These kind of reactions are usually quite significant and obvious, and they require management with medications and such as like an EpiPen in the middle of an acute attack. Otherwise, food sensitivities are a little not quite of a clear cause and effect. Now, this is a very, very, very broad definition, and there can be various different types of food sensitivities. I like to categorize them as food immune interactions, as well as microbiome disturbances or overgrowths, enzyme deficiencies, and liver and gallbladder problems. All of these conditions can lead to food sensitivities or food intolerances. So what I mean is you eat a food and you have a reaction. So for example, if you are eating fatty foods and you have a reaction, you have loose stool, bloating, those kind of things, that could indicate there might be a problem with bile fats and fat breakdown in our body. So that would be, in a sense, a food intolerance to the fat. Whereas something like a fiber food, like beans and legumes and full of rich fibers, produce, again, diarrhea, bloating, conditions like that, we think that might be more closely related to microbiome. Whereas more inflammatory things like inflammatory pain, skin reaction, those kind of things, and sometimes even going up to brain fog and things like that, may be more of the classic food sensitivity or the food immune reactions. So those are the general classifications of how I would look at food sensitivities and food intolerances, and how we can get a better understanding of how to support our bodies through these.